All right, getting ready to go crabbing with the pops today. Going out to the bay of Bandon, Oregon. We're crabbing just before the jetty, before the river hits the ocean. It's like a 20-minute drive for us. Be me, my dad's friend. See how much we can get. Usually I believe you can get like 12 crabs per person is the limit. So we're off to go get me a license since I haven't been here for a while. Mine's expired, and go pick up some crabs. I'll see if I can get some drone footage and stuff like that too as well. But it is a nice, warm, comfortable day. Oh, nail. Huh? There's a nail.
Yeah, might be one in there, huh? Whoops, almost missed. Right there.
Look at that guy, he's got some big knots.
Nail?
Nail, yeah.
Oh, look at that. We've had 3 of them like that.
There you go. Nail. That's about nail.
That's it. That's better than nothing. Better than what we were doing.
You got one?
Yep. Well, I ain't taking the blame for this. Better than what you were doing.
That gives us 4. Go ahead and just drop it in, Jeff. Oh, that's it.
Deep.
Oh, right down on the bottom.
Really?
4 feet there now. It's 10, 11 feet.
It might be enough.
Alright, you're good. Maybe.
Right here.
Nail.
Right there.
What we saw?
Oh yeah, there's that's bigger in the water. I hate that.
Yeah, there might be one in there. That's in the corner, hiding.
You don't want to have nothing to do with these two guys.
Fish.
I'm not winning this battle, I'll tell you. Here,
That's-
this way. You're not legal.
All that work.
What about the one down in the corner?
No,
Yeah,
not legal either.
you don't have a problem with those guys, are you? You know, you're being filmed, right?
Yeah, that's all
I
right.
can edit it.
No crabs were harmed in the production of this. Yeah. That didn't work very well.
And that fish is almost done, so.
Huh?
Fish. Oh. This isn't bad.
You got a
Let's try
throw away?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Screw it onto my gloves.
Really not clear.
Oh, big.
Be thankful you had a glove on.
Yeah. Oh, baby one.
Hey, they can make you bleed as good as
Yeah,
the other one.
yeah.
They can.
Yeah.
You got a really tiny little.
for it all.
You guys good? Yep, yep.
If you wouldn't went and caught them on the track, we'd be fine.